Hello friends, welcome to P Cyber ICT Services. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you all you need to know about Blogger or Blogspot from start to finish, step by step. I'm going to guide you and direct you how to build your first blog website. Now, what do we mean by Blogger? What is different between Blogger? Why Blogger and not WordPress? And why WordPress but not Blogger? Blogger or Blogspot, as the terms may be, is a free tool created by Google used in creating websites, while WordPress is an open source software used in creating websites. Okay, let's get started. To create a blog, you need to have an email address. It's totally free. It can only cost you if you want to buy a custom domain. So create a blog, have your email address, visit www.blogger.com, and when you visit blogger.com, you'll be directed to this page. You click on create your blog. When you click on create your blog, you have to log in or sign in using your email address and your password. Already my account is there, that's why I click on it, and I'm going to sign in. So after you sign in, it's redirecting. So after you sign in, at this left hand of the corner, you click on create blog. When you create blog, choose a title. A title is not the address of the blog, it's just a name of the blog. And let me just say, for instance, P Cyber Blog. Then you click on next. Choose an address. An address is just like a subdomain. As you can see, it's not .com, but is .blogspot.com. So I'll choose a name, P Cyber Blog. Let's see if it's available. As you can see, when I typed this, it was first not available, but when I typed this, it was available. So while choosing a subdomain or a domain or a link to your blog, make it short and not too long. Remember, it's a subdomain having .blogspot.com and not the root domain having just the name and your extension .com.ng. If your name is available, you click on save, and now you have successfully created a blog, but it's as empty as it can be. If you want to view your blog, click on view blog, and this is what you get after creating your blog. So let me guide you. What next are you going to do after creating your blog? You know of themes. Themes are like templates. You can get free from here. You can install any of these free themes, and you can also get more free themes online. But in this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with one of my premium themes so that you will use for this tutorial. Remember, blog is all about what? It's all about content. If you are the type that likes sharing your opinion, your idea, your thoughts, then Blogger is good for you. But if you are the type that need other services such as landing page and other things, then I prefer you going for WordPress, because most of the websites online uses WordPress for advanced features. So after creating this, what next you need to do is to install a theme. So now I'm going to provide you with a theme in the description. Just click on themes. When you click on themes, click on this drop down icon and click on restore. Upload the theme which I provide you in the description. Here is it, and you click on open. Within some minutes, you'll see that it is restored successful. And now let's view our blog and see. And this is the new blog features that we have. Code Ninja is the name of the thing, but you can see we neither have a post in our site, and that is why you see no results found. So to create a post, go back to your home page, your dashboard, and you click on posts and you create a new post. But meanwhile, I'm going to provide you, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to create a post. I'm going to provide you a package which contains some of the posts I have. So you are going to install it just as the way you see me doing now. Follow the steps carefully and you will understand how to install this for the sake of this tutorial. But meanwhile, in your own case, you follow through the post and you create a new post. So go to settings, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down to manage blog. Click on import content, click on import and import this in the demo. You'll see blog 0815. Install it, import it. Just for the sake of this tutorial, it's just a free content. And let's take a look at our site and see with the blog post, and let's see what we have. Still loading. And now you can see we have our beautiful website running with some content on it. Let's view the mobile view, and this is the mobile view of this website. You can see, let's click on any of the posts and here are the contents. Here are the content, the footer and everything. So well, this is not all. For the sake of this tutorial, I just make all this easy for us so that we can cope. But meanwhile, if you need other themes, you can get both premium themes online, free themes online. Just search for blogger templates. Remember, the word template is only used for Blogspot, but in terms of WordPress, you use the word theme. So while searching for templates online, you can go and search blogger templates download, and you'll be able to see free website providing you with free templates. So you can go in, download any of those templates and try it yourself. So let's go back to our tutorial. What next? So what next you need to do, sometimes after installing your theme, you will see that the desktop view is different from the mobile view, and probably what you want is the desktop view on your mobile screen. So go to your dashboard, go to settings, go to themes, click on themes. When you click on themes, click on the drop down icon, click on mobile settings, and you say, do you want to show desktop or mobile theme on mobile? You can choose what desktop or mobile and you save. And with this, you'll be able to see your website mobile desktop view showing as same in your own mobile view. So I will end this tutorial here. First of all, try this. After this, send a screenshot or send a link. Drop the link to your website or to your blog. Drop the link and let me see if you have done it correctly. Then we'll move to our next tutorial. Remember, I would like to carry you along. If you are serious about this, you'll be able to make money and learn how to design this blogger website from scratch to finish. There are lots about Blogspot. It's not about installing themes alone or creating posts. There are top websites which are running online, and they are all blogger websites, and you can also monetize your website. So in this tutorial of Blogspot, I'm going to teach you everything and how to monetize, and you will start showing me your earnings. So first of all, what you need to do now is to be cooperative in this tutorial, because I've decided to give my full time and attention to make sure that I impact everything I know about Blogspot design.